Hold on. Oh, why is the countdown not showing? Bro, I gotta do this every time I do something on this damn site. Alright, hold on. Was good. I got another domain. I got another site. How's my phone going off? Alright, hold on. Let me put some music on. I'm motivated today. I am motivated. I made a tweet saying that I'm gonna get the site out today, like a very scuffed up version. I'm not doing that. But I'm motivated to get a lot done, so that's why I said that. So yeah. Alright. Hopefully that isn't that loud. But yeah. I'm motivated. I'm not gonna start the timer until like 10 minutes in or something. And hold on. I got another domain and another Twitter URL. Look at this. Guess who owns this domain? Let's go. I own this domain, musicbracket.com. Music tier list, music bracket, bro, I am unstoppable. Alright, hold on. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just start the timer. I can't do 24 hours consecutive because 24 hours consecutive is very difficult. For me, it's too much. And I'm not in the right environment to do that. Oh. Alright. You know what we're gonna do? We need to do a pop-up here of the information here. So I actually want to get the URLs and see if we can fill it up instead. So for tier items, we are going to do this, except that we are gonna be doing like that, because right now right now I don't have enough time to do this. And to be honest, let's try this. No. Oh, I know why. Okay. I know why I did this, but Okay, why did it pick this album cover? Okay, so it's because of this, and to be honest, I thought. Alright, we can go up to 10 on this. But on smaller screens though, how does it... Yeah, it should rap. The day you beat me, I will evolve as Pikachu. Oh, but that's like... Alright, hold on. Oh, that's not that bad, actually. And then we do flex rap rap. Okay. And then hold on. Why is this one draggable false? What the fuck? Why is it false? Yeah, look at this. For some reason that one's false. I'm trying to see why. What? It should be true. Why is it false? Alright, let me... If that one's false, could I click on it? Yeah. This is too easy. Alright, this is actually pretty good. Only thing I need to do is change the height. And I don't know... Now, if I do padding bottom like that, does it adjust automatically? No. Oh, we already have, but... Yummy. Alright, I have this feeling that style. Look at that. That's funny. I wanna solve that issue. But Yeah, these have draggable false, but it doesn't make sense. Alright. Flex wrap. I don't. Okay, so I think what I need to do instead. What's holding this back? Why is it? Oh. Mega Hound Doom said. Or is this inline table? Yeah, inline flex. Alright, so why is there... Oh my god. Could it be because it's sortable? %. Is that always gonna be like that though? Like if I do this, $1.1 million times. That's how you know it's crazy. Align item stretch. Justify content center. Parent, child. Oh well, in this case I gotta do art, boss, margin, bottom. Monstrosity, the back of animosity. You couldn't burn, even burn as hard as me. Animosity couldn't burn as hot as me. What's that to our rainstorm? JWI. I'm a nigga got Pokemon dying. I got Pokemon dying. Everything's okay. I did nothing. Oh, my nigga got Pokemon dying. How to make flex item not feel the what? I got Pokemon diamonds. You know what I could do? Just not have a background here. I could just do that. But it doesn't look right. I got Pokemon diamonds, everything's that fire. that might work. Alright. Okay, that didn't work. What the fuck? The issue with this is why does it... I think it has to do with the fact that it's relative, right? Or I mean, absolutely. Yeah, it does. And then if we took this, Pika pee, pika pee, pika pee, pika pee. Pika pee, pika pee, pika pee, pika pee. Right now, the issue with this is, if I look at this, let me look at this on my normal screen here. Yeah, it looks weird on my normal screen because it looks smaller, but I don't know. Maybe adding a padding will solve this. Sweet Coon 6 in my element. Okay. And then what we should do is this. I'm gonna change. see if this works. No, it didn't. How come it didn't? Oh, I know why. Look like I'm Ash, ayy. Pikachu. Bro. Why is the... Okay, so then why is it... Okay. Let's just leave it at that. I don't get it. I don't get it. Let's, I need to change this top here. Okay, and then what I need to do is add some drop downs here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have some drop downs here. And we're going to say div id equal load drop down. And for some load drop downs. And what we need to then do is create a function called load drop downs. Load drop downs. Drop downs. No, we don't have to do it in here. We could do it in here. And what we want to then do is this layout. And when we make a drop down, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do SQL equals select all from artist But no. So what we should do here, select distinct artists. Select distinct artists from songs. So that way it only gives you the artist that you need, pretty much. And then result equals MySQL query. And then what we then need to do is run this, but we need to do a select ID equals artist drop down unchanged. Unchange update layout, and then here we need to then do option equal option HP echo row artist value equals like that. So that way on the site unexpected end of file. No. What did I mess up? Line 12. What did I mess up here? Unexpected end of file. I don't... Does this even work? Yeah, it does work. Option value while row equals result. Oh wait, that's why. Like that. There we go. Now what we should do is order by artist ascending. Right. What's up, the Cuber? How you doing? There we go. Now, what we need to do is create the on change event, so update layout. So what we need to do is this, and then we're gonna change it to and then what we need to then do is we want to do load layout, please. I want to run both of these. I am the only viewer right now, though. Young Yog Oof, bro. Oh, what? I have no idea what you're saying. I don't even care about the viewers. Like, the number doesn't mean anything to me anymore. So we don't need this, but we want this here, because I believe this will clear the layout. I believe this just clears it. Yeah, this should just clear it, and then this will have a drop-down value which will pass through here, and we'll say artist equals this, and then we go to here and we do artist equals post. That. Like that. And this should work then. I didn't need the URL thing at all. Oh yeah. Well, on load, we actually don't need to run this. Oh, and then there's another option that we have to hold on. In the code, I realized what we have to do is we have to add an empty option so that this is the first one, and then if drop down value equals this, and then we'll load items does is this. So what we want to do here is actually empty this. And then I believe that, and I thought I set a min height on it. I don't think it matters that much though. And then we got style up this, style it up. Legal invocation. Legal invocation. I don't think. Oh, you know why? Because I did. I see why. Hold on. I did this instead of that, which I believe TM87. There we go. Oh, and it doesn't. Okay. And when we do that, what we need to then do is this. So, oh, I think. The fuck is this stream? What do you mean? You the one that clicked on it. You're talking about what is this stream? Making a tier list site. Oh, you get it? I don't know what that means, but I think I don't exactly like having. Maybe I can change it so like the user can choose how they want it laid out, because me personally, I'd rather have it so I can see a lot of this, but I don't know. For me, like, this layout is standard, but I don't know. We need to fix some stuff though, such as the styling of this input. Let me get this console link. So let's style this a bit. Change load drop down. The Z. Okay. Let's see. Necrozma. Wait a second. Alright, I'm gonna do it like that. And then I need to fix this thing. So when you drag it, the background text gets clicked on, or like the thing. So what I need to do, I was thinking about this last night, what I need to do is when we click on it, then we load it in. So what I need to do here is get ID equal, oh wait, no, we can't do it like that. Like Z move. No, we could do on I think what I can do is say this, and then we add the class hidden. So, for example, if it has the class hidden, what it's gonna be like is this. Display none. And I mean, we're not gonna even have to add the class. We could just so what I need to do is this, console log this. Actually, I can do this. Let me say this. Oh, I started. Dot children one dot style display none. But we need to know when it toggles. So if like copy dot class list here. It still has. Which one has the? Okay, so if this dot has it, if it contains hover, then in the code, what we want to then do what we then want to do is set style display block else display none. And then what we want to then do on tier items